bus, bird, cat, cap, cup, dog, doll, duck, egg, engine, elephant, fish, fox, flower, girl, goat, gate, hat, head, house, igloo, insect, Indian, jug, joker, kite, king, kangaroo, lamp, leaf, lion,